The salt is thick upon the heavy glass. The morning tide begins its cold retreat. The iron stairs are frozen to the touch, while shadows stretch beneath my tired feet. I smell the copper in the humid air, a rusted hinge that groans against the gale. You left your coffee sitting by the bed, a bitter ghost of every word we failed. The white paint peels away in jagged strips, like every promise that we couldn't keep. I watched the gray horizon start to bleed, while you were lost in some forgotten sleep. The oil is running low within the lamp, the gears are grinding slow and out of time. I'm reaching for a hand that isn't there, still trying to make a mountain of this cloud. Oh, I'm the keeper of a light you'll never see, trying to guide a ghost across a broken sea. The waves are crashing down on everything we knew, and I am drowning in the memory of you. Yeah, I'm drowning in the memory of you. I found your sweater in the woodpile shed. It smells like pine and winters long ago. We used to talk about the distant ports and all the places that we never go, but now the fog is rolling through the hole. It fills the rooms and swallows up the sound. Now I'm tethered to the stone and to the shore, while you are nowhere to be found. The glass is cracking from the winter spray, the compass needle spins around in vain. I'm calling out a name the wind ignores, just another victim of the pouring rain. Oh, I'm the keeper of a light you'll never see, trying to guide a ghost across a broken sea. The waves are crashing down on everything we knew, and now I'm drowning in the memory of you. Oh, the memory of you. So break the lens and let the darkness in. I can't sustain this flicker anymore. I've given every spark I had to give just to watch you drift away from shore. Oh, let the ocean take the rest of me, let the water wash the guilt away. There's no one left to save out on the blue, there's nothing left for me to say. No, nothing left to say. Oh, I'm the keeper of a light you'll never see, trying to guide a ghost across a broken sea. The waves are crashing down on everything we knew, and now I'm drowning in the memory of you. The light goes out, the storm moves on, the tide is high, and you are gone. You are gone, just a shadow on the water. Yeah, just a shadow, fading out in the cold gray dawn. Oh, it's all gone. Yeah.